Days by Super Erin! Today we'll go to Hong Kong, but last time I go to Hong Kong last year in a Philippine Airlines, but this time we will go to Cebu Pacific. But guess what? We have a lot of guests. Here's are the guests. Let's go! Now, yeah. Okay. Right now we're just waiting. For 45 minutes, we will go to our airplane. So stay tuned. That means more photos, more videos, and more time to dance. Finally, we are boarding! So excited! Be quiet, Lola's is sleeping. We are so high! Yeah, we're finally arrived! Yeah! The airplane was so slow, it became nighttime. Hi, we're already at Hong Kong, and also we're already at our hotel. Let's check out our room. Oops, it won't open. There we go. Our room is so nice. I will be playing in the bathtub. So comfy. 4 people can fit here. Let's test out the bed. Okay, so we have a table for asking questions. Just kidding, for calling. No! See you tomorrow.
Herbal na.
Erin! So ako yung cameraman ng vlog natin.
Mamaya ako magkakamera. Welcome po sa
Uy! Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Ay! Papunta pala sila.
Okay guys, let's go. So, we're going to the train.
Huwag ka na magtulak. Huwag ka na. Yung trauma si Mami.
Okay lang.
From PST to Prince Edward all the way to Diamond Hill. First stop, Nan Lian Garden. Such a beautiful and a quiet garden in Hong Kong. A great place to go to see flowers and trees. is shining bright, making the place golden. There's so many tourists in the garden today. Hello, fishes.
Erin is getting mad na, guys. Because she's tired na. What's the face, baby? Are you sad now?
It's too hot.
Why?
Morning. It's too hot.
Erin, that's not your mom. Sorry. It's okay, baby.
Oh my god.
I think I got it in the camera.
It's okay, baby. She's friendly.
Watch out for the part 2 of my Hong Kong vlog. Please like and subscribe. Bye!